In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Brevo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Brevo or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and effectively. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's official website. Make sure you're on the right page. You'll notice the Brevo logo and a friendly user interface welcoming you. This step is the gateway to accessing a whole suite of productivity tools that Brevo offers. Now that you're on the homepage, your next task is to locate the Sign Up button. Typically, this button is conveniently positioned in the top right corner of the web page. It's usually labeled something clear like Sign Up or Get Started. Clicking it will set you on the path to creating your very own Brevo account. Once you've clicked that button, you'll be presented with options to sign up. Brevo offers a few methods to register. You can either use your email address, your Google account, or your Apple ID. Each method is straightforward, so choose the one that feels most convenient for you. This flexibility is great for ensuring that you can get started without any hassle. Entering your details is the next step, and this part is really important as it sets the foundation for your account. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, company name, website, if applicable, and company address. Ensure the information is accurate, as it can influence how Brevo tailors their services to suit your needs. After entering your details, Brevo may ask a few additional questions about your business. These questions are designed to help Brevo personalize your account setup. So, take a moment to consider your answers, as this personalization can significantly enhance your overall experience with the platform. Now it's time to choose a plan. Brevo offers a variety of plans to cater to different needs. There's a free plan that might be perfect if you're just starting out or want to test the waters. However, if you require more advanced features, Brevo also provides several paid plans. Review the options carefully and select the one that best suits your business requirements. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Brevo account. From here, you can explore all the features Brevo has to offer and start integrating it into your workflow to boost productivity. Remember, setting it up is just the beginning. The real benefits come from actively using the tools and resources Brevo provides. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you get started with Brevo smoothly and efficiently. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.